Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
What else is there to say about the residential house of the Pandavas? Sri Kṛṣṇa, the Lord of everything, acted as your minister. He used to enter that house as if it were his own, and he did not take any care of Duryodhana's house. According to the Gaudiya Asintya Bheda Bheda Tattva philosophy, anything which satisfies the senses of the Supreme Lord, Sri Kṛṣṇa, is also Sri Kṛṣṇa. For example, Sri Vrindavan Dham is non-different from Sri Kṛṣṇa, because at Vrindavan the Lord enjoys the transcendental bliss of his internal potency. Similarly, the house of the Pandavas was also the source of transcendental bliss for the Lord. It is mentioned here that the Lord identified the house with his own self. Thus the house of the Pandavas was as good as Vrindavan, and Vidur should not have given up that place of transcendental bliss. Therefore, the reason for his quitting the house was not exactly family misunderstanding. Rather, Vidur took the opportunity to meet Rishi Maitreya and discuss transcendental knowledge. For a saintly person like Vidur, any disturbance due to worldly affairs is insignificant. Such disturbances, however, are sometimes favorable for higher realization, and therefore Vidura took advantage of a family misunderstanding in order to meet Maitreya Rishi.